Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the lesson number 5 of second standard. Okay, if you want the lessons of lesson number 1, lesson number 2, 3 and 4, you can check out in the description box. I have put the link over there and you can refer there. In this video, we will study about the lesson number 5. In this lesson, we will learn about the local sources of water and we will understand that pure water is necessary for drinking, and we will know about the storage and use of water, and we will identify that water is necessary for plants and animals. Children, you have already know the uses of water, right? We use water for many purposes. Here, let us make a list of different works you do using water in your house. We use water in our house for many purposes. So, let us write here, why do we use water? We use water for first drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, washing utensils, and also for our animals, for the pet animals which we keep in our home. For them also we will give them. Okay, now look at this picture. Raju is bringing water from the well for drinking purpose. Okay, here you can see Raju is bringing water from the well for the drinking. What is the source from which you get water for use in your house? Observe, you all get water in your house. How do you get that water? See, in some of the homes you will be having the tap water, right? In some of your homes you will be having the bore water. Like this, you all people will be having the different source of water from where you use. From where do you bring water for different works that you do at home? You do many works at home. As I have told you, we use water for different works. So, from where do you bring water for that different works which you do in your home? For drinking, where do you get the water from drinking? In your home, wherever, whichever water you use for drinking, you have to write there. In my home, the water which I will drink, it comes from the store. Second, cooking. Which water do you use for cooking? We use drinking water only, right? Next, for washing utensils, for washing clothes and for bathing, all these things we use tap water, right? Yes, in the villages they use wells, river water, lake water. All these waters they use in villages for washing utensils, washing clothes and for bathing. So generally we get from walls, taps and rivers. We get the water which we use. See children, in the column sources of water, you can see well, tap water, river, lake, ocean, sea and borewell. And whichever all these sources of water you have saw, for that you have to put right mark. Have you seen the well? Yes, right mark. Have you saw the tap water? Yes, okay, seen. In the seen you can put right mark. Have you seen the river and lakes? Okay, you can put right mark. Have you seen the borewell and sea? Okay, you can put right mark. Now, in these sources of water, everyone will use the different source. In some of the homes, you will be having the tap water. In some of the homes you will be having the bore well. In some of the homes you will be having the natural wells, and in some village people use the water of river and lakes. So whichever source do you use in your home, you should put their right mark. And for what work do you use them? You use water for bathing, you washing clothes, washing utensils, cooking, drinking, whichever purpose you will use. For that you have to put right mark. Okay. Next, name 4 sources of water in your place, locality or town. The place where you live, where your house is there, where your town is there, in there, which are the 4 sources of water do you see? See, where I am living, there I can see tap water, well and bore well and also dam water. Okay, now it is up to you, which are the 4 sources of water do you see in your place, in your locality. You can write. If you have river or lake near your town or near your home, you can write that also. Okay, next, Look at the following pictures. Vanaja is using water for different purpose. There is an order in Vanaja's work. Rearrange the work in the correct order by writing the numbers in the given boxes. Here in the pictures you can see Vanaja is bringing water for her home to drink. You have to arrange these by the correct order. First, what should do? Vanaja should first wash the pot. Here she is washing the pot. Then after she will go to the tap. Then after she will open the tap and she will fill the pot. Then after she will bring that pot to the home. She will keep the water and then she will drink the water by using the glass and steel tumbler. Okay, next observe the following pictures. Which source of water do you use to drink? Why? See, here two pictures are there. You observe the pictures here. Here in first picture you can see a man is washing the clothes and the animals are drinking the water and taking bath in that. In the second one, a girl is filling her pot with the borewell. So which of these water do you prefer to drink? Of course you prefer borewell water to drink. You will not drink the dirty water where a man is washing the clothes and the animals are rearing, right? So you have already identified the sources of drinking water in your house and in your friend's house. Likewise, you have also seen the source of water which is used in your school. Which is the only source of water used in your home and school? You try to know. Okay, in our home and in our school we use clean drinking water, right? Yes, we should always use clean drinking water to drink. Okay, next look at this picture and tell a story. Here in the picture you have to look at this picture and you have to tell the story. See, here one boy and girl will go to Mela and there they will play and they will take the balloon. While coming they will see a river where a woman is washing the clothes, right? There a boy felt hungry and he drinks the water, whereas girl is standing and she did not drink the water, and she come to home and she drink water from the filter, clean water. Here you can see the boy have felt sick, he is vomiting, whereas the girl is going to the school happily. So the boy is not well, he felt the sick, and the girl is going happily to the school. The boy go to the doctor and he get to know that he felt sick by drinking the water from the pond where the woman is washing the clothes. The washing clothes water will be dirty, right? So by drinking the dirty water a boy fell sick. So what did you learn from the story, children? From this story we learned that we always should have to drink the clean water. Now tell me, how can we clean the water? So observe this picture and tell what is happening here. In the first picture you can see the boy is boiling the water. In the second picture a girl is filtering the water. In the third picture a girl is drinking water from the water filter. And in the fourth picture you can see a girl is taking the water to drink from the closed pot and without putting the hands into it. So these are all the ways of drinking clean water. Okay, so we need to use these types of ways to clean the water and to drink the water in our home. Okay, children, the drinking water should be clean. The utensils used to store drinking water and the tumblers used to drink water should be kept clean. Do not dip your hands into the container which contains drinking water. Use a cap with a long handle. The utensil that contain drinking water should be covered with a lid. Drinking boiled and cooled water is very better. So develop these habits and protect your health and protect yourself to getting sick. Okay, and observe this picture. Here what can you observe? A girl is planting the trees, putting the water to the trees. A girl is watering the trees. In the second one, the cows and buffaloes are drinking the water. In the third one, the forest animals like deer are drinking the water from the lake. In fourth picture you can see from the rain trees are taking the water because trees also need water to live, right? Yes. Next, here the birds are drinking water. Here from the tap the water is moving to the crops. Here dog is drinking water. Here the fish and frogs are in the pond. Okay. So tell me now, if you have reared animals in your home, if you are taking care of animals in your house, which water do you give them to drink? You should give them clean water to drink. Okay. Do you water the plants in your house? What happens if you do not water them? Children, do you have any plants in your home? If you have, don't you water the plants? Yes, you should water the plants. If you will not put water to them, they will die, right? Plants and animals too need water. From this, we understood that plants and animals also need water. Even plants and animals cannot live without water. So, human beings, animals, and plants need water. They cannot live without water. So, we should save water without wasting. We should keep the water clean. So, this is about the lesson number 5 of EVS grade 2. As I have told you, if you want the lesson number 1 to 4, you can check in the description box. I have given the link over there and you can refer from there. If you want the further lessons, if you want the further videos of this, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.